Filipino themed Sunday brunch. We went to a Filipino restaurant yesterday, Gerry's Grill, and we have some leftover pork liempo, grilled liempo. I'm going to use that and then add some more Filipino, like typical Filipino breakfast or brunch. I have here corned beef with potatoes, and these are Filipino style hot dogs, and then bitter melon with eggs, and then this plantain, not a typical Filipino breakfast, but we love it. I'm cooking the corned beef on the other side, and here I'm cooking the bitter melon. With eggs. Let's add salt. And freshly cracked peppercorns. Adding the eggs here. This is a very nutritious dish. Ampalaya or like a bitter melon is sort of almost like a superfood. This is a typical Filipino hot dog, usually served on birthdays and like for breakfast. I'm only making probably like 3, since we have other dishes too. Here I'm going to cook the plantain. So I slice the plantain into like this. Almost all dishes are ready. I'm brewing coffee too. This is bitter melon omelet is ready, and then I'm still cooking this like sausage. I forgot to put the plate on the other one, I think. Yes, and then this plantain, and then corned beef is ready. And then I already warmed up the grilled liempo in the oven. I'm going to pick oranges too. In a little bit. Brunch is almost ready. Daddy and Josh are home from the grocery. I see Daddy and Josh home from the grocery. I'll show you this beautiful flower. See this one? Gorgeous. And then he's too. Hi Josh. And then there too. Hi Josh, how are you? How's the grocery?
Can't wait to miss.
Oh, outshine. It's what outshine.
Camera recording.
Yeah, back from the market. 1 second, Josh. Wait for me, Baba. We need to. Thank you. Beautiful. Perfection. That should be good. Here's our harvest. The Valencia orange. Going to pick some of these geraniums for our vase. Look at how gorgeous. This one too. Look at the peach tree. This is peach tree. That one is nectar plum. This one too. I have the pink here. I'm going to get this one. A vase. There's red there too. Here are the flowers that I picked from the backyard and front yard. Look at how pretty. And then the oranges that just picked from
Mommy,
the
you're gonna
backyard
have to
garden.
record that again because like I'm in the photo bomba.
It's okay. Here are the flowers that I picked from the backyard and front yard. The two from the backyard. Oh, this one is from the backyard and then the other two from the front yard. It's almost springtime. And then the oranges that Josh just picked from the backyard garden. Our Sunday brunch is almost done. And then chocolate milk for Josh. This is Fairlife chocolate milk. Here's our Sunday brunch. We have hot dogs, corned beef, fried plantains, grilled liempo left over from the Filipino restaurant, oranges from the garden, and then the melon omelet, and hot chocolate milk for Josh, and then coffee for me and the husband. Let's eat. I forgot about the rice. You want rice, Josh?
Sure.
We're having tea and playing chess with Josh. So I'm using this tea set that is covered, so it's it won't get cold fast, right, Josh? Okay, are you ready?
Yes. The bees really love the white flower.
Which one?
That flower, or you could call it fern, I think.
Which one?
That flower, the one with the white flowers.
Oh, that is arugula.
The bees really like the arugula.
Okay. Okay, let's prepare this first. We got this from Otsuwa no Yokata. I'll probably show some clips of our trip at Otsuwa no Yokata. Oh, you made your move already? Okay. Let's do my move. Before we continue, we'll harvest some orange first. You can have this for snacking too when they're ready. These are sugar snap peas. But for now, we can get the orange. I think Daddy likes kumquat too. I'll probably get Daddy some kumquats. He said to harvest some orange. I'll just get two. This Valencia orange. This one. Look at this kumquat. Jess. Okay, and we have kumquats. You want kumquats, Josh?
Sure.
Hmm? Say hi. Look at the camera.
I should be sitting down right now.
Yep. Has to be an intelligent move now. I'm vulnerable.
Now you don't have one. That's a good move for you.
I made a mistake. I was like thinking of my next move. Interesting. And then we're done. It's cold now, right, Josh? Are you good, Josh?
Mommy,
Cleaning up.
Mommy, look. Mommy, remember, Whenever
Okay,
you get
you're in charge, huh?
whenever you get my rookies, I get them back somehow. Remember that.
You do?
I get them back
Your
somehow.
rookie is very important to you,
Huh?
huh?
Yeah, the rookies is very important.
The queen is very important to me.
The queen is very important to you.
Cleaning up time. The flowers are beautiful over there. Need help?
Yes, just place the pawns in here. No,
Oh,
no,
pawns,
that's
okay.
that's for the rookie.
We are here in Artesia. We're going to a Filipino restaurant, like a newly opened Filipino restaurant. What's the name?
Mekeni.
Pinoy's Pride, something like that.
Pinoy pride.
There you go. This is Pioneer Boulevard.
This is Little India.
Yeah, Little India. But I don't think there are any. I haven't seen any Indian place. Maybe over there. Oh, this one. See, they have the Indian clothing. Oh, historical museums.
India restaurant. Oh, we've eaten there. Boiling Point.
Boiling Point. Yeah, one time we ate here.
It's here, 183rd. Little Dhaka.
Where is Little Dhaka?
There.
Oh. Okay. Dhaka is Bangladesh, right? It's that place. Mekeni's Pinoy Pride. Let's check inside. I think they're busy.
Nice.
The other place did not work out, so we're going to this. Gerry's Grill. This is from the Philippines too. What are we, Josh?
But Gerry's good.
Lipa. Cerrito. Just is full already. Mango smoothie and then mango smoothie. How's the soup, Daddy?
Good.
This is sinugba. It has, I think, liempo and tuna. And this is tinomok or stuffed laing. And then this one is
Bulalo.
bulalo. Dapat na yummy bulalo. And the rice. And this is the liempo. And then this is, what is this thing? Grilled tuna.
Tuna belly.
Grilled tuna belly. This is the like liempo or grilled pork. We're here in Artesia. I'm going home. Went to Gerry's Grill because the other place, the new Filipino place, has a party.